Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply sell your Floki Inu on your Trust wallet. You first make sure you do possess the Floki Inu token. As you can see, I have 8,741. Our next step is to simply head over to the browser section where we're going to make use of Pancake Swap for this particular transaction. You make sure you switch over the network to Binance Smart Chain, BNB. And once you switch over to BNB, we're going to be replacing our cake with the Smart Chain with the Floki Inu. So you simply paste the contract address of the Floki Inu. Click on Floki. And we're going to be swapping from our Floki to BNB. So we're going to be using everything. We're going to be swapping our Floki to BNB. Click on the label Floki. A smart contract call is going to pop in. You click on confirm. Once it's done, you then simply click on swap. Click on confirm swap. A smart contract call pulls in again. Click on approve. And boom, it's done. We've successfully swapped our Floki into BNB. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can sell the Floki, your Floki Inu on Trust Wallet, and you'd be given an answer.